In this video, we are going to see how we can name a particular document or rename a particular file if you want to do this in Google Docs. So we have a couple of options for that. Let's say that I want to change this name and I'm on the main section of Google Docs. I don't have this document actually open. So what we can do is just click on the three dots and you should be able to rename this. Also, if we have this open, let's say this document, and this is a forest story. So it automatically gives a title, but I want to change it. So all you have to do is just go to the top left hand corner and it says rename, and we should be able to change that easily by just writing it simply and hit enter. You don't need to save it much because it will automatically save it for you as soon as you make any changes to the document. You can see and notice here. So this is how you can name or rename the document, especially for a new document. As soon as you insert, let's say, a new document, it will be an untitled document. So if you want to name it, you can simply do it from here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.